Welcome back, guys. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jetty and today we're going to do my hair wash routine. A new product that I'll be using in my hair routine today is this Unove Heating Guard No Wash Treatment. It's packed with keratin and it protects your hair from heat. I plan to use this to air dry in my hair after rinsing out my deep conditioner. Honestly, not much has changed in my hair routine. So before I start shampooing my hair, I'm just going to brush my hair out with my Conair paddle brush. You guys know I like to be as fast as possible while washing my hair. I don't have all day, so I just try to make sure that this goes as smooth as possible. And one way to make sure you are in and out of the shower when washing your hair is avoiding tangles at all costs. I always make sure I go in 2 times when shampooing my hair. I love a good double wash. I just like to make sure I get every drop of oil, dirt, sweat, or any buildup that I may have in my hair out. Also too, this Unove shampoo is an amazing shampoo. It's very silky, but it's also very cleaning, and your hair just feels like, I don't know, soft and clean after you rinse it out. Next, I'm just going in with my Unove Deeper Treatment. This is a great deep conditioner. Again, it's one of my faves that I love to use. You guys know I still love my L'Oreal and Pantene conditioners, but this has just been a new line I've been trying, and honestly, they have not missed yet. So again, same as always, I just apply the deep conditioner really well to my hair. I split it in 2, and I go on about the rest of my shower. So after a few minutes, I ended up rinsing out my deep conditioner and then applying the Unove No Wash treatment and braided my hair and let it air dry. I always say when it comes to your hair, work smarter and not harder. So I always just let my hair do most of the work. I put my hair into braids after the shower and I let it air dry overnight. Now this is the next morning and I'm gonna just take out my hair. It's detangled, it's dried, it's moisturized, and it's ready to go. I could definitely feel a difference in my hair after using the Unove No Wash treatment. My hair is very soft and fluffy. So in this video, you guys are going to see me using 2 different heat protectant sprays. One is my Ouai heat protectant spray and the other is my Kenra anti-humidity spray. And I'm only using 2 because I simply love the smell of the Ouai, but I love the benefits of the Kenra. The Ouai just makes my hair smell so good for days at a time. Versus the Kenra, it has a good smell, but it really doesn't smell like much. So I'm specifically just using the Ouai heat protectant for its perfume qualities. When it comes to straightening my hair, I love to usually do 2 passes. The first pass is just to ensure that my hair is straight, and the second pass just using it to curl and style the hair. So as the video goes on, you'll notice that you'll probably just see like the part where I'm curling, but I usually do 2 passes on each section just to make sure I got my roots, just to make sure, you know, I get the curl that I want at the bottom. Also too, the reason why I don't like to curl on the first pass is that you guys know, like, sometimes when you're straightening your hair, the one pass doesn't do it, and if you've already curled the bottom of your hair, then you have to go through that same piece again. So that is why I curl on the second pass. I've always simplified my hair routine, and taking care of my natural hair really never felt like a chore once I got my routine down. But I will have to admit, since cutting my hair, my routine is even quicker. So it took me about probably like an hour and maybe 15 minutes to actually do my whole head, and that was because like I stopped really quick and took a TikTok break. But other than that, like, I actually completed this style pretty quickly. Since bleaching my hair, I have tried to make sure that I am on the lookout for any extra dryness that I may have, which is why I did add the no wash treatment to my hair. I want to find something that I can put on my ends after rinsing out my deep conditioner that will give my hair extra moisture and just also extra protection before heat styling or just styling period. Honestly, at this point I can say the no wash treatment understood the assignment. My hair was very soft, very airy. As you can tell, the other side is already done. You guys are just watching me do my last side. And I did that because you guys have watched me straighten my hair a million times. So the routine has not really changed other than an additive to a product. And honestly, if this works, I'll just keep it the same because to me, simple is so much better. Of my hair like I did on the other side and brush it through. I really love this product. I just received another bottle in the mail that I ordered from Amazon, so I try to make sure I keep it on deck at all times. It just gives my hair such a silky, shiny finish, and it lasts for quite some time. I feel like my hair looks and feels so spectacular. I am so happy. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.